How to swipe to go back on iOS 18. Let's get started. Swiping to go back on iOS 18 is a simple and convenient gesture that makes navigation much smoother. Here's how you can use this feature. Open any app or screen where you want to navigate back. This could be Settings app, a browser, or any app that supports the swipe to go back gesture. Swipe from the left edge of the screen toward the right. Simply place your finger on the left edge of your screen and swipe to the right to go back to the previous screen or page. In this way, watch the page shift smoothly to the right as you return to the previous screen. This gesture works in most apps and system menus on iOS 18, making it easy to quickly move back through your navigation history without having to tap a back button. If you found that this feature is not working, double check that your app supports it, as some third-party apps may not include this gesture. It's a great way to streamline your iPhone experience. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily swipe to go back on iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.